Good evening, everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn comment and backslash character in Python. Open PyCharm, delete this. For comment, you have to give hash. For single line comment, we have to use hash, but for multi-line comment, use inverted comma 3 times and write multi-line comment inside that inverted comma. So how can we understand if we execute this? Three double quoted inverted comma. Now it is problem solved. See, there is no error. Now print this line will be printed, but above lines is commented out. So you got to know how to make comments, single line comments and multi-line comments in Python. Now backslash character. How to use backslash character in Python? Let's print something. I am a Python programmer. Backslash. If I want to print something in new line, use n, then write I like Python programming language backslash new line, then use tab, which will create a space. Python is used for web development. Let's print it. See, for new line there is a space here on it. This line is printed in new line for using backslash in character, and this line is printed in new line and after giving a tab. So this is the tutorial of Python for commenting and using backslash character. Thank you very much.